Just one breath and it's instant death. It's the aerosol grey machine. Just one breath and it's instant death. It's the aerosol grey machine. Well, you're walking along the road one day. Up comes a man dressed all in grey. He blows a little aerosol in your face and you find your mind's all over the place. Oh, just one breath and it's instant death. It's the aerosol grey machine.
We'll soon be home. 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 Soon be home. Come on, old Hall. Soon be home. Soon be home. Soon be home. We'll soon be home. Bang, 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 bang. Cello, 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 cello,
I can't believe it. My eyes to see and my back in your arms, away from all harm. It's like a dream to be with you again. Can't believe that I'm with you again. I missed you and I must admit I kissed a few and once did sit on either the engine driver's lap and later with him had a nap. You are forgiven. You are forgiven.